Hey, I'm RGC and I exist, and this is my really bad game, Svualizer. Now, I just released an update that will add custom songs to the game. And essentially what you can do is you can choose a song and it'll make a level out of it. It's really not much. It's not a level editor. I don't even know how you would do a level editor for this, but basically you're just changing the settings of the level. Because let's be honest, that's all I do when creating a new level. I choose a new song and I change some settings, change the color palette of it, and that's it. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a custom song. First, actually, I'm going to select play level, mainly because I need to check where the file location that the songs are supposed to be saved are. So you can see down here it says custom song file location and then this path. So basically you want to go into your file explorer, and I've already got pulled up and put a song here, but basically you would want to drag a song into this file location. So you type it up here. It'll be different for your computer than it is mine, but you type it up here and then you drag the song you want to use in here. This is probably a good time to clarify that I do not support using copyrighted songs. Please don't do that. I don't want to get sued. And if you do that, I'm not responsible. So keep in mind that songs like Never Gonna Give You Up are copyrighted. So unfortunately, might not be the best idea to use that. Anyways, I'm going to click design level. So basically this is the beta version of Jonas Tyroller's song, the credits music for his game, Will You Snail, which I made a lot of videos about. So that's why I'm using it, is that I'm kind of a Will You Snail YouTuber at this point. Here I can change some settings. Now, at least at first this may seem overwhelming, but I'm going to explain every feature. So basically you can turn this on or off, and what this check mark does is it shows whether or not you're going to spawn sign bullets. And I'll show you what sign bullets are by turning it all the way up. The normal bullets go straight, but these ones go in sine waves. So if you don't know what that means for some reason, I'll show you what it means in a second. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to have this all the way up, meaning only sign bullets will spawn. You can also set it so the background color will change over time. So I'm going to turn that up. I'm also going to make it so it's just sort of more of a blue color. This is the background color. You can change the red, green, and blue values of it. This is the sensitivity of the visualizer bars, so if you're using a quieter song, you might want to turn this up more. Player health, you can select how many times the player has to get hit to die, so I'm going to set this down to like 15 maybe. Minimum bullet speed and maximum bullet speed. What this does is it chooses how slow and how fast the bullets can move, and it chooses a value between there. So if I set this to 0.5 and this to 2, it'll spawn bullets that can go any speed from 0.5 to 2. These settings right here, you only have to worry about if you have this checked, the spawn sign bullets checked. So basically, this allows you to change how far left and right the sign bullets will go. So basically, the reach of the sine wave. And this lets you choose how fast the sine waves are moving, so how fast they're moving left and right. So I'm just gonna set this like this, and yeah, and then I can press generate. So now I can play the level, and if I enter Hello AI version 1 or V1, then it should let me play it.
Warning. This song file does not exist. Please follow the instructions on.
So basically the problem there was that I used an MP3 file instead of a WAV file. I need to use a WAV file, otherwise it won't work. So that was my bad. And the bullets sometimes take a second to start spawning. Don't ask why, it just is a thing. So you'll notice they're not spawning nearly as much as I'd like them to. So let's go back into the menu and change some settings. If I go in here and enter Hello AI v1 and load the existing JSON, then I can turn this up, and that should make it more sensitive to volume. And now I can play it again.